The birth rate per 1,000 in Western Europe is given by the data below. So we've got the Western Europe, and here is what's known as the raw data. I think these were sorted according to alphabetical order, according to the country. So this is just raw data. It says draw a stem and leaf diagram to represent these data. Okay, so first of all, we've got to look out for the lowest value, which is here, and the highest value, which is here. And then what we do is we see that 14 is the highest, 6 is the lowest. So the stem, our stem will consist from the numbers from 6 down to 14. And then what we do, we go across each piece of data. So the first one says 8.1, so here we now put a 1. Next one says 9.4. So here we put a 4. Next one says 11.4. 11.4 again, so put another 4 in here. 10.3 we put in here. 13.8 we put an 8 here. 10.7, so we'll put a 7 here. 12.4 we'll put a 4 here, and 8.5 we will put a 5 here. 14.1 we'll put in here, and then we do so on for the rest of the data, crossing each one off as we do it. And this is called the stem, and this is called the leaf. Now we need to know what the stem and the leaf mean, so we put a key in. So 9/5 means 9.5. So if we just draw that out again, now we need to put leaves in ascending order. So we'll look at each of these and put them in ascending order. So drawing out the stem and leaf plot again, making sure we've got the key. So 7 will be 7 because there's only 1. Here we will stay as 1, 5, and then 6, 7. This one will become 3, 4, 6, 8. This one will become 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 8. This one will become 1, 4, 4, 4, and 6. This one will become 0, 1, 2, and 4. And this one will stay 8, 9. And the last one will stay as 1, 8. And now what we've done, we've actually ordered the data. So 6.7, 8.1, 8.5. So it becomes useful for finding things like the median and the quartiles. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to draw a stem and leaf plot from a raw set of data. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.